Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a unique product that's all about cleanliness and care for your dental and personal accessories. We're talking about the Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner, designed for cleaning dental appliances like retainers, mouth guards, toothbrush heads, and even jewelry. With its ultrasonic technology and UV lights, it promises to offer a deep clean without damaging your items. Let's see if this cleaner lives up to its claims. The Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner is equipped with 45 kHz sound waves that target every corner and crevice of your dental tools, making sure dirt and stains are effectively removed. Its 200 milliliter capacity gives you plenty of room to clean multiple items at once, while the 4 professional cleaning modes cater to different needs. Whether you're using it for a 5-minute quick clean or a deeper 10-minute session, this cleaner adapts to your needs. It also includes 4 UV lights that work simultaneously to remove odors and ensure your items are not just clean, but fresh as well. It's an all-around cleaning solution, offering more than just ultrasonic waves for a 360-degree approach to cleaning. When I tested this out, I was pleased with how easy it was to use. The machine is straightforward, featuring a one-button control that takes all the guesswork out of the equation. I placed my retainer inside and chose the 5-minute UV mode for a quick clean. After the session, the retainer was sparkling and I noticed a significant reduction in odors. The UV lights add an extra layer of cleanliness, which I appreciated. I also tried cleaning a toothbrush head, and the dedicated slots made it simple to position, ensuring an even clean. While the machine was a bit noisy during operation, the sound wasn't overwhelming, and the non-slip rubber feet help keep it stable. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this ultrasonic retainer cleaner offers a high level of versatility. The combination of ultrasonic cleaning and UV lights is a powerful feature, ensuring not just cleanliness, but odor removal as well. The 4 cleaning modes are a nice touch, giving you the flexibility to choose the right setting for different items. Plus, the large capacity means you can clean multiple items at once, making it efficient for family use. The design is compact and portable, which makes it a good option for travel, and the low noise level is a bonus. On the downside, while the noise isn't unbearable, it's still noticeable, especially if you're using it in a quiet room. Also, the cleaner's build, though practical, might not feel premium to some users, particularly in terms of the plastic exterior. The 200 millimeter capacity is sufficient for most dental tools, but if you need to clean larger items or multiple things simultaneously, you might find it a bit limiting. When it comes to value for money, the Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner offers a solid balance between price and functionality. The additional UV lights and multi-mode options make it a standout option compared to other cleaners in the same price range. It's not the cheapest option out there, but given the versatility, cleaning power, and convenience, I'd say it's worth considering. In comparison to other ultrasonic cleaners on the market, this model stands out with its added UV functionality, which many others don't have. The ability to clean a wide range of items, including jewelry and makeup brushes, gives it an edge over basic models. However, some higher-end models may offer more powerful cleaning capabilities or larger capacities, but they often come at a much higher price point. The build quality of the Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner feels sturdy enough for regular use, though it may not be as durable as some metal alternatives. It's designed to be compact, making it easy to store, but it might not hold up over several years of heavy use. In terms of longevity, it's too soon to tell for sure, but it seems reliable for short-term usage. I didn't have the chance to contact customer service during my test, but EcoBasic is known for offering solid customer support. They're responsive to inquiries, which can be reassuring for those looking for assistance. If you're considering an alternative, there are other ultrasonic cleaners on the market that might be more affordable, especially if you don't need the UV lights or multiple cleaning modes. However, if you're looking for something that provides a more comprehensive cleaning experience, this one does stand out. To wrap it up, the Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner is a well-rounded option for anyone who needs to keep their dental appliances, jewelry, and other small items clean. Its ultrasonic technology combined with UV lights makes for a thorough cleaning process, and the ease of use is a definite perk. While there are a few minor drawbacks, such as noise and build quality, it still offers great value for the price. If you're looking for a cleaner that does the job without too much hassle, this one's worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other dental and accessory care enthusiasts can find this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts on the Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner, drop them in the comments below. You can also find the product link there. See you next time on Beautyistic, where we keep things clean and shiny, just the way you like it.